Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you are new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I made my crochet twig using only one pack of ultra braiding here. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sectioning my braiding hair into two, and the first half I'm going to be cutting it into four, and then I'm going to take the other half and then I'm going to section it into two again, and then I'm going to do cut 5 and cut 6, and then I'm going to stretch the ends like this. And for the hair that I'm going to be using for the closure, I'm not going to stretch the hair, I'm going to ventilate it as it is. So for my closure, I'm going to be doing a Kimke closure, a 2x6 closure. So I'm going to sew it right round right here on my wig cap. After sewing my Swiss lace right here, I'm going to start off by crocheting, and then we'll ventilate the closure later on. So I'm going to section a smaller section of hair like that, and then I'm going to take my crochet and pass it through my wig cap, and then I'm going to place my hair on the hook, close it, and then pass it through, and then I'm going to put the hair on the latch and pass it through the loop like that, and then tie your knot. So let me show you again. Pass your crochet through, put your hair, pull it through, or pass your hair through the loop, and then pull it through, then tie your knot guys. I'm going to be doing the single knot method throughout the entire wig cap. The braiding hair that I started with is the one that I did cut 6, and at the middle the one that I did cut 5, at the top the one that I did cut 4, and I'm going to be doing 1 inch spacing in between my tracks, and then I'll reduce the spacing as I get to the top. Right here at the top, make sure that you crochet your braiding hair side by side, joining your wig cap and your Swiss lace together. So just take your crochet right there, pass it through your lace and your wig cap, pull your hair through, then pass your hair through the loop, then tie your knot guys. Just do it side by side until you finish the entire area right here at the top.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down.
After I'm done crocheting, I'm going to remove my wig cap on the mannequin head, and then I'm going to cut off this wig cap underneath the lace so that I can ventilate my closure. So just be careful when cutting so that you won't cut your lace in the process. So after cutting, we're going to be starting off with our ventilation process. So for the ventilation, I wanted to show you the yellow braiding hair, but it was so bright guys, it was so bright and it was not showing. So I will be showing you the other color. Before that, I'm going to be placing a white paper underneath the lace so that you can see the holes that I will be ventilating. And for the hair, this one is the yellow that I did at the back, and then for the remaining space I'm going to be doing a color blend of purple, yellow and black. So I wanted to do purple only, but it was too bright for my liking, so I mixed it with black and then a little bit of yellow, and I did a color blend, and I loved the result guys. I loved the result. So I'm glad that I did the color blend with some black to darken it and some yellow to just make sure that it blends well with the rest of the wig. So I'm just going to mix and brush the hair. So just mix brush until your braids are mixed to your desire. So this is what I had after mixing, and then I'm going to start with the ventilation process. For ventilation, I'm going to be using method number 3 of my hair ventilation pattern. If you watched my previous tutorial, you understand this method better, guys. So if you haven't watched that tutorial yet, please do go and check it out so that you can get a better understanding. Like I explained it, guys, this method I explained it like in detail. So do go and check out the tutorial that I uploaded in my previous tutorial. So right here I'm going to be ventilating skipping lines. So when we focus on the line that we'll be ventilating, I'm going to ventilate one tiny horizontal line and skip one tiny horizontal line, ventilate one tiny horizontal line and skip one tiny horizontal line, and continue like that. Like I said, guys, do go and check out my previous tutorial to get a better understanding of this method, guys, and I'm also going to link that tutorial in the description so that it will be easier for you to find, just in case you are a beginner or you want to understand this method better. Do go and check out that tutorial, and there are also other method, like other 2 methods that I was comparing with it. Like I explained them in detail, so do go and check it out just in case you haven't watched it yet. So I'm just going to continue to crochet, and I'm going to be using 2 methods. At the back right here, I'm using method number 3 of my hair ventilation pattern, and then at the front, like half an inch before the hairline, I'm going to switch to method number 1. That method I will be skipping rows and I will be ventilating all the lines. So yeah, do go and check out that video. Also, there's a detailed tutorial on the method that I used at the back and the method that I used at the front, and another method also. I'm mixing 2 strands and 3 strands of hair at the back, and at the front I'm going to be mixing 2 strands and 1 at the front so that I can get a natural look. When I'm wearing my wig, it will look natural, not wiggy. For the second method, like I said, I'm going to be skipping rows. So right here, ventilate 1 row and then skip 1 row, ventilate 1 row and skip 1 row. And for the second line, ventilate in front of the row that you skipped in the previous line. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to ventilate. If you want a detailed tutorial on the ventilation process, check out my other hair ventilation tutorials.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
So this is how my closure is looking like. So I'm going to be spraying water on my hair, and then I'm going to be using my hot air brush to brush the hair. And then after brushing the hair, we're going to start with the cutting. I'm going to start off by detangling the hair using this brush on high heat, because this hair can take heat, and then I will switch to the straightening brush. When you're using the straightening brush, make sure that you move it slowly so that the heat can be distributed evenly to the hair. So I'm also using it on high heat and just brush through the hair like that slowly so that your hair can be straight.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What?
Before cutting your hair, make sure that you comb it to the direction you want it to lay so that it will be easier for you to cut your hair.
Can you let me down? Please.
I'm going to place my measuring tape from the parting going all the way down and measure 12 inches, and I'm going to cut right there on 12 inches.
Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
I'm cutting starting from the front all the way to the middle, and then I'll go to the other side and cut from this front all the way to the middle, so that it will be easier for me to get the blunt cut. And then after doing that, I'll be using my scissors again to trim the ends, like to make sure that my blunt cut is really straight. So for cutting, I'll only be using a scissors, guys, and it was easier. So do it in smaller sections so that it will be easier for you to get a blunt cut that is straight. Obviously you go in again with your scissors to make sure that everything is evenly straight, so just do it in smaller sections, that way it will be easier. So right here at the other side, start from the front and then use that section to guide the rest of the side.
I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me
So this is what my blunt cut is looking like. So after cutting, I'm going to be using my coconut and Jamaican black castor oil to spray on my hair, and then I will straighten the hair to bump the ends to get that nice bumped bob.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
This is the final look, guys. Do let me know what you think about this wig. Do you like the color? Do you like the bob? Do you like the highlights? Let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section down below. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate, guys. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and fam. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to drop your comment, like, share this video and subscribe if you're new, and do check out my previous tutorials to learn more about wig making. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.